guys, I'm Molly and I was born with an upper limb difference on my right hand, and I'm going to show you one of my favourite go-to hairstyles. A lot of people don't think I do my own hair, which makes me laugh. I actually have always loved doing hair growing up. So I use the back of my arm and my wrist to hold up and like gather and support my hair, while my other hand does all the other bits. As you can see, I kind of pass the hair back and forth quite a lot, as well as the band, and I just use the other hand to hold things in place if I can. I know this looks crazy right now, just trust the process. So now I'm just sectioning off the bits that I do want out and to frame my face, and wrapping the rest around the bun. This is actually so quick and easy, and I feel like it gives you the perfect messy bun look. And then just repeating the same on the other side. It also doesn't matter how rough you put it up at the beginning, because this smooths everything out and makes the size look perfect. And just use as many bobby pins as you need to keep that in place. I'm sure I've used hundreds and hundreds for this look before. If I'm making this an evening look, sometimes I like to curl the front pieces of my hair and the little bit sticking out of the bun, as I just feel it makes it look a little bit more fancy. But this is the finished look, guys. It's so easy, so quick, and I think it just gives you the perfect messy bun look.